In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an Airtable record into a PDF using the gallery view. First, open your Airtable workspace and head into the base where you want to work. In this example, we're using a simple table inside an untitled base, but the process is exactly the same no matter what your base is called. Make sure you're on the table that contains the records you want to print. Once you're in that table, look towards the top left of the interface for the view options. You'll see a button that lets you create a new view. Click on the option that says Create New to start setting up a different way of looking at your data. From the list of view types that appears, choose Gallery. The gallery view is great because it shows each record as a card, which is much more visual and often works better for printing or sharing as a PDF. Airtable will now switch your table into this gallery layout. Next, confirm that you're actually creating a new gallery view. You may see an option like Create New View within the Gallery section. Click that to finalize and give Airtable a moment to generate the view. You should now see your records displayed as individual cards. Now click on one of the existing records in this gallery. Just choose any card you want to export as a PDF. When you click it, a detailed panel will open, showing all the fields and information for that specific record. Inside this record detail panel, look for additional options, usually shown as a menu or small button near the top. One of the options you'll see is called Highlight. Click on that to reveal more actions related to this record. From the expanded menu, choose Print Record. This tells Airtable you want to print just this one record, and it will open your browser's print dialog with a nicely formatted version of that record. In the print dialog that appears, look for the Destination section. This is where your computer decides whether to send the document to a physical printer or somewhere else. Click on the drop-down button next to Destination to open the list of available options. From that list, select Save as PDF. Instead of sending the record to a printer, your browser will now save it as a PDF file. Confirm your settings, click Save, choose a location on your computer, and you're done. You've successfully turned an Airtable record into a PDF using the gallery view.